don't have any nails?
No.
Can I clip your nails?
Yeah.
I can clip your nails?
Got some nails.
Yeah, I gotta clip your nails.
Got some nails.
What?
Got some nails.
Yeah, you got some nails.
I
You don't have any nails?
No.
Oh, I thought you had nails. Let me see your hand. Look, you have nails. Look.
Having on hand.
What?
Hands.
Yeah, I don't have any nails. Nana has nails. You don't have any nails?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
You're not sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're sure?
No.
You're not sure? No.
I want some nails.
You want to trim your nails?
I want some nails.
You want some nails?
Yeah.
You have nails.
I don't have any nails.
You don't have any nails? Babe, look, you have nails. They're long. We need to we gotta cut them.
No.
Can I trim your nails?
Yeah.
And then we can paint them? You want to paint your nails?
Yeah.
Yeah? I gotta cut your nails first and then we'll paint your nails.
No, don't cut my nails.
Don't cut your nails? Why?
Go.
They're long. Your nails are long.